Mami Crowdy, I'm saying, let's see, Mr. Monche video, Mammy, a Hansen. Patrol over have your Adaro Manuado, Adomiashi, Diamond, because a very, very important message. Hey, Kukua, it's only one video, and first time Sunday snatching, and see who ya Janica, who ya did Janica, Nania Ubetiano, and Moana Ubeta. Thank you so much, Oba Christy, with us. Oh, I dare say, can you send me animal from your dinkum? I'm a 7 Oh, Facebook for me, there, I'm just sending to me, show. Ellen. Someone may say, mean to me, share my dear, no problem. Yes, show and show. We have message for Ghana, especially market women and those preparing food outside. Those cook, caterers, some caterers and some market women. We have big message to you people over down there. Let's see. Run. You for yourself. You didn't your Facebook for mommy to me, share my day. I don't know. They can do whatever they want to do. No, I'm going to do music campaign, but now I be here home. In young way, if you say a program, I'm on fire, more light. Please share. We have a good message. I mean, it's saying we have a very nice message for people in Ghana. And you know, me bono. And you may cost for Ghana. It's not me boss animal. Tony, I'm straw banner Ghana group be a for Ghana. No about more than a piano from an apple harmony, especially Ghana. It's a down. If you do bad, you do for yourself. Patrowa baby amichiawa Mike et say Nicholas Mining. Nicholas manya you machi ba for akababy. Patron Barty. And some area who Ghana. Why? Papa me mammy. Christiana also from Elisha, Prophet, I salute you. Kumi Francis Mate, I salute you. Me patromo ba mo share di my end. Come to the brain. Na in sema ehun hia for because niam bi koso Ghana are ho. Who ni social media abeka say agro so e koso. Who ni social media abeka say agro so e koso. Why Ghana? Patrol within the roots, we wait me after me datching my special. We miss life and colored. Our Denmark datching my studio. You were online radio, you nyanya frequency. But 24 hours we wait me say datching my radio. We tune Echo tune in the war a friend say Otek FM so 24 hours. Here for Otek FM news 24 hours. Kwaku at the same. Abusuafo adenti na dache hima nka samre na ni week etna ye di me nua na otweda ense kasa bi metina se na me su na me dwene me ho bet me hwa me man a me firi mu me man Ghana ensem ne bi ba social media ne ya no fianfian ya mfa me ka bia ne enye o man papa ebi ka wa no wotu aduboni ebi ka wa ankasa wa no yetie ye papa akwasi ampofo agye anyumi a awrade mfa me kra ensie akwatuo we eda obi anim sade ameti ha me nua hye fridge mu ekyane na awotweda obi ade kobi be kwan a be fa so a wo be ko ene edin a wo be ja na saase so eno ne ade a edin a same etosai Esewara, if you do good, you do for yourself. If you do bad, you do for yourself. Yen yan Ghana for. Emi send me message in man Robert me throw it straight. Ewo program Mr. Kwadio, we are for king, we are for justice, Kwame. We are for truth. Uniaba, and some ekwaso Ghana bi, and amede mano Isaka, me beka bi. Emi se ma hu se video bi ni nam social media mi hu na enra but na baby adwene ne nam na adwene ne se achima kosi baabi but me da ho na strike me se da bi root se yam passe video ya me nua ba ma ya kogina dwom on suro no nim se ye no kore no wa video aba out no ya fia no fia meka bi ne ye nua no Ghana fo aya na me pese se ne me ka asema meto sabi ba nye nipa ni nyina na ye sabi omye nipa bonefo na se aboneyefo ne awudifo na doso achi papa papa omo o mine why am say na saying the best social media say nua manu bi omo no anuane omo the poison and nu anuane ema enkofo kotoye den eji obi the video wo YouTube mi hu ye na me se me gini because adenti na aduane a waye a wo ton wodi aduro ebe noa especially waache dokunu enkunuma abomu okro stew se be green hey ye nua manu bi ma mo no aduane mo ye mafu wate me kan plain ebinu mo ye mafu o pese enkunuma ye green a mo mehu dachi ma special account ya wo ye 40 something years ago account ya de ye enkunuma abomu so your ba nko musremfo ye nuanu ma na mo nuanu nko musremfo no mo kire mo se de obeye enkunuma nkwan eni ti anu ani na nyina me se meye enkunuma nkwan but me nya enkunuma a wo beye ebeye green eni ti na ya na me video so aye tenten video go YouTube aye nhwe no because me pese me kire emani pa hunu eni pa wo beye ama wunua ebedi a onya yare eni pa wo betimi aye aduane a without chemicals aduane ne beye den ebeye yie ye nuanu Ghana fo bi ma mo no anuane obi afo so mo se mo no anuane nton se wonim aduane no a stop poison people wicked people some of cookers in Ghana ye nuanu mo no anuane bi no mutimu ye den mo ye wicked adwemfi ahye mutirimu ma me pokua ete sen why so ye nkuruma nkwan a just so de poison yesi wudi e makidin stones wudi e ma wa furu uyam niema ehuhuru di nu aduane se nipa dasani ondi ono beto aduane no no wasen atoyare no ode ama no ho why na adentina mote o man Ghana mu ye nuanum bi no mo ya wudifo saa ye nuanum bi no mo ya abro ne baye saa ye nuanum bi no mo ye abaifo baye ankasa because obi o ye baifo bi o ye ni nua bone a wo nwene ho ade na mo ye saa Ghana fo bi no ma mo nuo nuane mi wi ato asi domfo ma so ene se mi message ese bi share bi ma Honorable Cynthia Morrison Mami wona woda ema yedie ene ema mpuntuo enkora yedie ne nkora nkoso obi be kodwom so okotwa aduane abeno ama ne baadi akra ne dia from childhood no wanya yare wicked people edonfo ma bi wickedness nyame empesa amino medofo nyame empesa Sister Genevieve Mami me pacho me chiao me wa fire ofa aso ana me wa fire kwa ye de masse aso yenya yie bi menim se wo America na wo Ghana ade ne nuan mu bi wo ye wicked sa adwen bone ashabutiri mu ma Lucy say Mercy moti Ghana mo no wache Menuanu ma mo Ghana mo ye very careful ewo abontina duane amoto Moti Ghana wo no wacha na wakofa ade a ye di gu aduane mu a eye poison na ade anu wache wo hye ko obi a na wakofa ade sabi obi ewu a odwene ne ho ye de hye no kwadwo na wo de ahye ko obi wo no enkuruma nkwan a enkuruma kora de na omo ho ye menwanwa enkuruma kwan be fa so be ye green eye te ye tiri sei pesa won kwan ye gnia ye nua ma bi ma mo no anua na wo Ghana e ma afu bi no ma mo wo Ghana mo no anua mo be ja rough na mo nyai e ma afu bi no ma mo wo Ghana mo no anua mo be ja ya mo nyai de mo ye no obi ansoma wa aduane no a wo fi se wo nima aduane no a don't do it na mo nya adwem bone a mo di pesika eni ti na bi mu ma ye toba sa so mo nya skada because eniema wodi yema wunua di sika betodi no enye niema papa eniema wodi wunua edi sika beba be career to no enye niema papa why are you doing this to our own self our own Ghanaians wickedness some of Ghanaians nwaduane je wache se wache ne betetale sister so pesa wunua wache na tale a eyensuo pesa wonua wache na tale a ensuo fa wukan na fa wa haban opa haban afa wa haban ka ho wonua wache e betale adenti na mudi nnuro enwo nuane ama nkrofo beto no mo to yare ma wo why are you doing this in Ghana video aba social media yenuane mo binumo a mo to nam e wo dom beef precontra adwin Kobi eniema nwansena sisi so no munim de omo display mosquito spray wicked people in Ghana some of Ghanaians market women wickedness adwin fi what dom twetwa kwa control wo bia no wayi de da ankura mu a ensuo gu hu na wo di kofie no akono na no yere ne ukunu ne uma no magi dachi man frabrochi de benam pepro control beria na ma twitwa na mo de poison agu so se enwansere sisi so why don't you use net wicked people in market some of mo adena mo yasa adena mo di abro mo sorry am say politicians eya akronfo politicians eye omo se ma no edwomfo ma mo sumuti mo ya dren ebi mo ye fun dwomfo ma bi mo ye fun ankasa musuban at time mo nya Ghana fo bi mo nisu na mo ni ba ye dini esuban no enye papa nwaduane na the poison agum na the ma onua se woni no onwu because of scarce mo pa mo nya bi ma fra pesika wo kwadwo ho penso e be pim sei ma tonne ma wo sunyan dwom kumasi dwom enkna dwom makola kaneshi ababroshi ya kan sei Kotobabi market ya minim na mebubo dino de minim no na chese minim. Why someone yesa wo oman no mudi abro nuaduane kofa poison the nuaduane the mosquito spray and nam so wo nua meto no me no nko Minister of Food and Agriculture Anna Haimpa Dabi omo hwe anuane food ayifo no omo hwe anuane so no DGO said that be ane anyontofo omo hwe omo ma license ne niam wo anuane so no na se ho sam corrance munwura market ho yie ya ho se ayifo anuane no na mo na mo so munwura dwom na mo hwehwe omo kiosk no mu omo kiosk emu kurate se nkusie no mo hwehwem na efi eku wo mo dwom ho efi ankasa mini dwomfo ma ha no sabi me ba Ghana me kodwom the whole Ghana da bia ni wa mu ofe ba bia to nuani di ba bia ni wa ho ofe gatamu efi ahyem se twem mo dware firifie kotena sam koton ne ma mo didi anam de agu gatamu mo wia masa de poison agunuane ne so se ye meto ni yewu na me nhira mo ate Ghana dwomfo ma ebinom Ghana for at the ton for my a binum more Ghana, more ton yane, more ton nuro, more ton, and namnema. Why are you doing wicked? I didn't see someone yet a bro, our mind musa. Cosia for Jesus, so we are papa, we are fat, we are born in swat, we are fat, the Uber Giano, and no betra. The Uber Giano, and no betra. Akosi akofo ajanumi na office nipa boni ni no yarefo no bodani no ne hu ye na shi ne hu eye na shi eti papa ne so ya wona made bia o sresre no eye na bufu eti wa na bi se oba poison na me na wu afiri ho Edward udini ya den fando se den oni se Yarefo no ye na hi enti obema na duane ama na die wu enhira ka Yakopon se dan no na wa me enti aduane na ne saka aye no wakohia school fo nkwala ankra pon no mu di agora o matena bonten a oni nsa nkla no kom de boda ni wa hunyansa na wia simpanyifo se wotu aduboni a ebi eka wa no ye nuanu ma no ma moton nuane wo Ghana ye nuanu binumu a moso moton enam wodwo ma mo display gusu no de mu dua no betwa wo fi sa wo waton na ma obi wu nwi wo ba bekwa akoto aduane na ono so akoto poison so ati ase wonyere mo ho na mo kunkum ho wo man mu adinfi wo fi sa wo de poison gu na mo so amada ache hima ma ba ta wie no mawu wo ba bekwa akoto waate na waate wura so de poison anoa wo ba bekwa akoto banku ni nkuruma na banku wura so de poison anoa wo so si dom eton pra control wo si dom eton beef wo si dom eton adwene na display aguso na obi so abeto eti mu fa entwetwa mo ho esi e ba Ghana brochirefo mko Ghana mo nya careful wo beto na ma kompoa no fresh wine na yi na kototo because ye nua no binu mo gu Ghana no adwem bone se dipa bone fo na do so a chem papa dipa bone fo mo wo man Ghana mu sikanti omo do so che nipa papa omo nu anuane omo ton omo etonam oh my Ghana why some yesa kwasi Edward Nyako mesra mo share video ni mame Facebook for me ni omo pese me video ni beko se me be 1 week ni program en ko bet no problem ye be kosoaye abusuafo adenti ene sese ye tena oman mu na ye di ye ho abro musura na mudi mani bre dwomfo ma hospitals obeti doctor or ye doctor na oni administrator aye one obi aba sese ye mane pala no two no mama ne half no ma twere ya ma daachi hima pala two no oni administrator na ko diska no mmadi he Ghana samo say nipa ewo mu no yes sanya dwene se nipa ye wo oman Ghana mu Yes, ye change ya journey. Na ye nya do emma ye ho. Bible so do yonko sa wo ho. Wan ka se do yonko na ta wo ho. Enti de wo fi se wo a enka be ya ma wo. Why don't you do it the same to your friend, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your neighbor? Why are we killing ourselves? Why? Me who videos ni bi abra Kennedy, I salute you. Gladys and me pacho Agnes Quatin. Me who videos ni bi on social media. I was thinking say is it true say nipa ye wo man Ghana mu yetimi ye wiki da the mosquito spray. Mosquito spray. Spray and nam so. Me show mu video no wa hu ne ye. Me sra mo mon share me video yi ma me. Mon share a very very important message. Because the way you nuanu mo ton niema wo dwom e binumu eye niema wo Ghana no time. The way you nuanu binumu ton niema enuane ene niema no kwasi ye pay if you do good nko because you nuanu binumu mo Ghana bad they should change their wicked attitudes. Evil doers people over down there. Stop killing people slowly. Ghana, why? Sub motina ho na wotimi nya adwene say and once na anything na net ya wo net ye de kata nam so first ka yehu ye net blue ukodwoma eguo bia ne ma so se be ya ntonton ne once na no mutimi nye de enwuram e na pese wo show wo ne ma te se de wo ye decoration mo sura na mo de ne ma na guo afa na once na sisi so anoma koto spray na mo di spray aduane a ye die. Oh, I am so disappointed in some of Ghanaians. I was shocked. Mommy show me video na make am wasem. If I show edwom ni o mo hwe. Edwom o ma hu ma me no ote ho no de ogira ho no so. Ma hu de kita no no. Ma hu container yellow na kita no no. Mo hwe de ode. Someone mosquito spray Adobia Stella mosquito spray. Are you mad? Are you insane? When I am na human being musaya minya atemdidi e tese wo BBC a disgusting. Kwasi broni say e disgusting. Time Aden Yen mama go Ghana ebi no nti madwen pa eye adwuma. Eti mo dwene sa adwen ni mawu nia se me di mosquito spray be spray nam so beto na kodi na kowu. Beto na kodi na nya kidney problem. Beto kodi na nya cancer. Beto kodi na nya heart attack. Why are you doing this in Ghana? Why Ghana? Mo sura kwase be na mo kana na kufu adu totun soli ni mu. Toto Ghana soli mu na nipa gu asonda ni mu nyina adimfi. Hey! Hey Ghana for mutimu ode no wate. Me nto sabi. Mutimu ye dene se wowo. Mo sori kwase da mo sisi asonda mu. Domfo ma ebi mu kwase da be hwedu akọ hene ya chimu America. We are not the first player go aduane so umi ameto no oni wa ho. Ninianum Ghana for munya isa wate na eye bone na moyetia osoro ne asase eye bone na moyetia osoro ene asase sedenti ada wo spray go aduane so samene bra na me behu saade na kamonyema ni nyina mekeka agu ama police fu aba ho munyama ni nyina ka mesara madonfo ma nyina matu abome na ka dom ho no ka beda ni so dom ni gomoria ada na mutimo ade na wo man ni musa ada na Ghana fo mutimo ade na sa me to sabi because it's too much. Most run with the politicians ya kronfo enso dom fo ma mo ye wicked enam se munya sika nwianti no wo bekunkum nipa na wo kum nipa na ho ade beba beto ade na mo wadie ade bone redu then amwakon adwen bone munya concert ne drama wo man mu ate Mo show hana muhunu. Enya ma ne seso mo ne ma afi. Doma mo te fi kwa na emene mo. When you bloggers be more big platform, I am monka ho asem. Monka ho asem, more big platforms. Na mo nyanko for personal issue na ya na mo attack bebre no. Ni party Ghana di fun some fun way na mo to na mo hwe omo. Ni party Ghana di boni se na mo to na mo hwe omo. Mo expose omo. Honorable Cynthia Morrison, who Ghana for man, who man omugu dwom bi no. They are wicked more than armed robbers. Wickedness, ma who say spray konko ni so, ma who say spray ni da ho. Mo who say spray ni da ho. Bra yi na ye video no. Mo me am post na mo ntie. Me nim talking him.
Those of you that will come to market to buy meat and go and eat.
Who say Kumasi market? Mo hear Kumasi market. Central market.
So ridiculous. I can't imagine this.
Kumasi market, Kumasi Central market, and no more adwuma. Some sha man say Roman Hill and a walk at Chirehon. What would nim Kumasi Central market be a Roman Hill and a walk at Chirehon. I don't know moyesa. E be na Beduko bin kase Ghana for my Asante for many brade. Waka. I support him 100%. Honorable, 1 minute. Akatimpo. Why? I didn't see and I would say Asante Mamu, Asante Kingdom. Mugu Asante and you say your man be no amaton near Mawudum. My fellow wati, don't form my be a more Kumasi dum. I'm a ton nam. Shame on you people. My fellow wati. Oh, one abo, where you fetch me you? Yeah. Ambassador be friend you. Ma Mr. Udemiya. So one Aden Ghana adwin fin adenti ena moyesa adwin fin Kumasi Central Market. When you what would nim Ghana? Kumasi Jombia, and you be na beka kire say Asante Mamu no mudi sa adwuma. Wo Roman Hill wa kire ho. Wo Roman Hill wa kire ho. Why? Badu go bi ko kan Asante fo man Asante fo ni brade ya sabi dana man no hyesumi na so. Ote kokko so. Mumwa da wuro na mu dwomfo ma no mon kasa nkire mu no mu gu nipa ni mu ase adai ye kwana de ahia yen the mosquito spray aduane so in public. Eche say areho minim said ya me explaining asem no na minim said ya me ka asem no mu guni pa ni mase papa me se Roma here na wa chire we wo wonim Kumasi Dombia o de ha chire ho.
Those of you that are watching this video this very moment, I just caught this woman using mosquito spray, heaven, spraying the meat that we buy with our own money to eat in our stomach. I tried to question them, they don't even mind me. You can see the mosquito spray there. That is what she's using to spray the mosquito, the meat.
Mom says spray ni gwanya ba ku. Be tu ni
I don't know if we are still in Ghana or we are in another world.
We are another world.
My people, be very careful of what you buy in the market. I'm telling you this. I'm right here in the market. I'm here. I believe you can see me. I'm here with them in the market. I'm talking to them. They don't even mind me.
Okay, can you money to
Those
you?
of you that will come to market to buy meat and go and eat. This is what they are doing. So ridiculous. I can't imagine this.
How can you imagine this? I'm speechless. Manu masa. Enti Ghana pani. She de bia na me de me hwa mfanto me Kumasi dwom maton bayere da. Central Market maton bayere wo hoda. Adwene season ba na nam ne ba ye fa bi ne de kwa dum adwene papa kwa bi ohene ha wane wa hene paboa wei aso mo hene ba ho wane yasesa yahihye ye de neta kataso ye de awura adum apremanfo omugu ho no hihye nam that time kura nam ye hihye nam 1000 2000 ye satam 1 million 2 million asema me ka ache ansa na me be wo me mai ye ya ba ya no aduma bie ni wada ache hima ye nya bi da nyankopon ye ne edi ani kan pesika ye nya bi ko kaado bia mo se ma me nka o ma me madro ma breka ba now ma ye yie na kameti Ghana nkasa nkrofo we nkaminya minister ka Central Market me dwimu se banche Ghana ni nua ye wei wo ko gina ho minister ba market no obeka se omonye mani nyamo sisa nkotugu a Ghana ni bi be gina ho criticize okotu agu no wakwaji loan adwemfia hye ne timo ese onim se owi su net edekata so hwede oye poison Ghana for se musimu nya hypocrisy na wonua Ghana ni ya ade na enye na wo ka no krenchire no me understand Ghana we are make on some teams aba machidia na enyame because said the mesia niema bi wo ho a mesia course wo Ghana ho no because aya na ye fun we need to take action edu ba bia Rollins na metena se pass edu ba bia no shoot nkrofo edu ba bia business woman for don for my bokunkum omo she is right because ohun sa adwem bone ni doso me kra me ye ba na me opposition wo Ghana wo hu kamechire mu bia because mu dwen fun obi be ton nam no de akoye aduane enkora hia meat esese odi meat esese o winam na onyini no abeto meat na kran be nyini no ye yalefo minim be bia me ba me hu no konya yale ne fie me fie obi anya yalefo esu be ye yalefo because of a ma binu amugu dwomu abaye mo soro abonam nuro so tu nuro sebe ye beto ma de nti bone nko a na ahye mutim dwomfo ma binu mo ye fucking mo ye fun papa don't form my bin mugu Ghana. Why are you doing this wickedness using spray mosquito spray aduane so wonua dasani meto no nto yale no nkodi na ne maso nyale no mkogu hospital mu achoki don't form my mo na mo boa yale e wo Ghana. Sa video we make sure say me wo sokoba honorable Cynthia Morrison, Minister of Women and Gender. Amena hu ne ma bimu amugu Ghana. Wicked people. Ma bimu amu Ghana mutimu ya dene. Nti na ne Ghana for me ma bebiri omo so omo wale because monye abontin su ni mpo a wonya hwimfiri no ono di ne sika beto ade kwa wo poison no na be ma wawale no wo sika de na ade be ye no. Wicked people. Ghana for ma bimu munya drama no na mo ye fun. When I am me hinin no me himfo no bi no sara dachi hima dachi bi ubaye hininti dachi ubaye himanti aya ni diatem na hima na hima mi tu bro enya adwuma me ntimi ni akonya no ntimi ni because me wo hona me ma himfie na wo hine no kotonton sase rofrofa wo ba mesi waso ma on se nyame yodo ade na nipa ya fon za especially ya man Ghana mu why ade na mo ya sa amudi nuane di nuane wacha sellers modi nuane ko bi sellers e don form ade mu ye wickedness some of mobinu ye frika ase mu wisu efunu niema ye niema wodwom nyene ene ma hu madapa ada Central Market otumfo every ayibia so suma nipa mo ko rans ko gege niema otumfo ma hu ya na mu wi omoma amanfo kodom market bia the whole Africa market bia la yen ye ben ahemfie ntie nim de ye ka market bien wa ohene every week ne nkrofo mfra ahemfie nkonkoje ne ma fa ma ahemfie no mo nche e ma ahemfo nketwa ne achia me ne ho ahwane fo sebe ya ebi mo ho mo nya nnuma enti omu bedi mo hwe kwa mo de o mo fa so ya ahemfo ne ehema afo mo fa mo nansi fom mo fa mo nansi fom na ka first oman ya friend Ghana nka ahema ne ahemfo na ka man ya mo dia kanya politicians because a man say kanana hini hu ya ese so obodaro kumasi dwoma na emiedwa no edwomfo man nyina me hia mo ahemfie na mati abrafo agudwo no mu omo kiosu mu sa fucking shit ne hihya ono mayi ni nyina na obia mo de ne court sa crofo we no mu hia jail ni pe kum ni pass slowly those people are need to be jail eni obi akom do no akọ wi akokọ ne de ne ba court na judges ne mu go na mso ye drama na mso go court na mo ye drama kom du obi no akọ wi ade o wi aduane na mo de na kotu 20 years obi timi the poison go aduane so mo ni twia mo ntimi nya nipa na hwe e man be na nipa firi mu sa akwa ya ogina hoi se nyame ani ne ho afu sane ka mo wone tokone adana mo yesa eti wo yesa na wanya den wo yesa no wo ye poison ma wo nua di ye no eden na wo benya ana me di kan ye no wuti dwom wo di mosquito spray mbesua go punish people in Ghana hey wuti dwom with the mosquito spray best spray nam so dachi hima baba beto me kwa mebo modern he ne koto ade a mo huhuru hu ye me se me koduru Ghana camp a me ya tie dwomfo ma mo bebo mo nsam mo de mo be hu me nsam ni me ba be gina Central Market mo na mo be hu mo koto na ma mo huhuru hu ye wate dwomni ba why you say with the spray a spray nam so me beta me ba me hohoro hu me bomode ahohoro hu ye me no aso a poison be kofom na de anu ama wo ba no so koto adi no de amusu dwom ho na amosoro a moto nuane no suma hu because you can say you sasem you can say kromfo akwa ama kromfo akofa no wo fi so the poison go aduan so wo ni bi wo wi a pre control for me the pre control na mu so omutwitwa enti na maka po control pre control na me hu so omutwitwa ni beef wonim sa wo de poison agu aduane so madache hima ma beto okodi wo so koto banku ono so de aduru agu na so akoto akodi momfo jabo ho wo Ghana ho nyankopon bo modina na sa awudifo ye ogugu ma ne bro to bombu bi si na kuma mu nyina fiwo because Ghana fo bi mu ye wicked nana hima Florence nana mikra wo na mu ahima afo am wo man Ghana mu we eye man na edi sansem fun no nana ahima afo ade na mokọ mo cancer nana ahima moka ade nsam dawuro ben na nana ahima mo bo akira mo ma na sese sabi nana we de me no anya fight sese ya mo ma na omugu man ni mo omukum nipa slowly no nana ahima ye wo chief counsel nana mokwa ade na ya sese mo dwene ho we nana wahu me patcho wo World Royal Queens platform so nana wahu die koso enti die na wo ma no wahemafo no mo wo fie minim sa wote abrochire edie na wo no mo kasa wo fun so a mo ka che mo edie na mo na mo betu afa ho edie nsam na mo be ka kire ema wudifuo bi no mo wo Ghana nana hema mi bisa wo yima no nana ese wo be hia nkwanhia nana mi bisa yima no asalute nana hema nana mu wa adwumaye ahemafo ane ahemfo mu wo nwumaye wo man mu nana yesra mo momfa mu nansi fom na dewa ye nuanu mo nuo nuanu mo ye wo man mu ye nuanu mo ton niema wo dom aduane a ye die ene de ye no akwa mo fa so mu kum nipa slowly no enya nana ahemafo momfa mu nansi fom because we mo ye man kwa na edi sa sabi aniamo ho sam ne nsam sa nana we na nkoka amosema minya atandide nana we me de akama no tinti mano no mi manini hunu na esa na me pese me toto bomb because we ayen some fun no mudi ni Kumasi Jomo. Central Market for manana. Nana video no 1 hour, I think say 1 hour the betrol. Nana hima. Enti dien na hima for. Mo frem mo community. E John for ma wudi for binumo. E ma omo nuane wudi for binumo. E memma omo to niema wudi for binumo mo poison crofo slowly. Nana e dien na mo ka kire omo nana hima. Nana minim so utie akonya tuntun so nana mo mfom nansi fo. Na Ghana ajinsam mu awudi sam no ye say ye no open. Eto obi ye am robber no okoshoot obi ye so akum nipa. Nti ye ko jele no. Na de odi poison ye go aduane so am obi adi no de amode ye no. De na amode ye no. We eye open market. E na wo ye saa de nti nana e de na mo ka fa ho. E de na mo betu afa saa video we ho. Sa video we me delete bibia sa video me make sure say me keep video we na me make sure say me ko do Ghana Kumasi me de be kwa akoma ona bo sa sibe MC awo Kumasi Central Market mo sura na mu di natem mo hu mani nguase Kumasi for dwomfo ma bi mu mo because also me cry papa no video na me tie say osi Kumasi Ghana but who so share video na eye alaba wuhu be say alaba wuhu kan say Roman Hill wuhu Roman Hill wa cho bi onim Kumasi bia wuhu say Roman Hill baby omo ye nchense ne da asen no e wa chire wo app. Why are you doing this? E be na ne kasa kanfo ye ni brade because baduko bi tini fie sesi ameti he wo tro me ohun wate se me nua baduko bi tro me sesi a enti se so ono tini fie no hu video we a na obeye something against it. Say I man can say nuana makanfo mani brade asen akosi asantemam. Asan akosi asantemam. Why are we killing ourselves slowly? Because Muhammad who say or try me. Ma who say papa baduko bi try me na. Me be program ntimi ya madwen say me dem me reply no. So hu adenti na ye killing yourself slowly. Any Semu hu a there was so prophet baduko bi semu hu a won say watro me bisa said dem hote because me send man say me nua kaba bi. Why are we killing ourselves? Enti papa ko hu video we what na ote tema no san ba biem he man kan mi ame wo so ama no da che ma mi chiri sem fu be wo so papa na dara he ba na dear we talk but they are not listening to us. Nana hima areho. First na ye nkwala no kaminim se ahimfie. Se obi ye niamo ho nsem a ye wo kwan ye de ne faso. Enti ebo nkrofuo hu. Ebo nkrofuo hu. Mi akasa bi atumeda. Me kwaye niamo ho nsem sunwa hima ye wa free mi nana. Wonkwaso. Ba bia wo ko bia nyame emfa wonko. Ye de be ko sunwa hima ahimfie. Na mi akwan ye de me faso no e firi ho. Manya sa de ni biem. Se de esi twi manim mi bu nkotodwe saa ma asam nana mo hima amenya kora o minyini na masakara. Nana hima yi ene na hemfu binu mo. Ko mo de me faso sunwa ahimfie no wanwu. Nana hima afie. Me si mi bu nkotodwe saa etwa ne wo mi kotodwe ni sore na mi kotodwe ni nyina bobo ntokuro. Abuomu cause dem ye no ne aboda wurisi ye nya saa de na mbu so ye dem koye na na hima ka chen se enye wadwin se bia ye nimwa na se ye ba no ana se ye dofo no ana se ye nua no e dem famra kwanso mi kotodwa ni mo bi o dada kro me ye bibia na me sha adi tete mo he mi kotodwa ni mi bu nkotodwe e wa abuomu awia mu mi hire ba ko wawu na na twumasi papa ni na gina mu pa acho saa kana na hima ka tenso be aboho saa ma de ache femi mi butu ho abom se mami na hwe yesi sole ni mami na hwe efiri ho na ma hwe se saa de na be ye bi wo hwe efiri okra na ni ede ne ntokwa bebrebe be ye den be jaye se wo hu etina na hima saa nyama ni nyina na eni ho biem ena hima afo sabi manu hyesumi na so manu hye bucket na hima afo ni nyina se sei mutimi emfa mu na nsi ense kire nka asem se de na ano hu nya platform isu a u brasti mi Why? Nana Himana de was ha. It's before, not now. Yeah, Nana, first near Boadier and then Ghana phone call a Muadier. And Pompany phone ye Muadier, not Tompala. You Muadier because Nana Hima, a bed and was fled at him and I said, Babunko to you and he fear. Make up. Obe see you what them. Obe makes me and confirm me as support to me. And so first, and a woman make rather someone sad wako. Wow, mammy or war. We are some make a requirement quite a similar medical sunya if you may mammy and swamp papa and swore. Many madame for be a friend either. Abanata. Many madame for the coy. Because I suddenly buy a some crat and a brand my mammy so on shumame. It is a macocama 7 men master man. Me for my some call me mammy pour me life, mammy papa and fee. Many madame for pet. And so never time be the bear ya dear, no he may be a no he be can or the casse 1 hour war no. And no being could be bassam. What would your mother yam or mine? About time for Mugufi. You knew me, my men be me up upon good mamma some of my pine, and man no credit pepper ye near Juma woman. Yet you don't be queen slowly. You got poison, yes, ah. Do all know where chair poison? Do all know Kumabo Muni Banku or 20 poison? Do I want a dear beam and a home, and crowd or poison? Do all top pro contra or jam or doom or poison? Do all top be food poison? Do all turn and chinamo poison? Do all target poison? Everything is poison. First, not Herita to say Stella Blessing, Patroa Bami Modi be a fatchami. First, make a Ghana, ya ribe brew and ya common, and it be beer common. Yarebu hanka Ghana cry you and they be beer common. What the hospital doctor you faha you because you are poison and slowly. Obi ko tonam wo dwoma oh huru ye. Me adia me tiding so she huru mpa ya adwene. Because of anwianti. Sana na me kra na ma me yes ade no anwia. Ani ko obi. Because so say na anwia ba bi omudi gu no. Enti me pe adwene ye din so hie kokoro ho pa ansa na me de ayen kwan. Wahu enti se mo study me se me ye enkwan na sa adwene wo ma de bia ma adwene bubu because me di kan din so hie kokoro ho na wo se so hie gu ho pe na abode na abubu enti me obi ya adwene onya ni muan o kokoro ho de beto nkwan mu saa because o pese ye fe yare enko a abusuafo yale enko a me kan tuatua maso ye nua no amwo Ghana mu di abro. Stop doing this. Stop killing us slowly. Stop. Abusuafo, it's not fair. It's not even fair to kill ourselves slowly in Ghana. And we animal poison yen and nama ye baba tosho poison wom bibia is poisoned. Why? Hey, you man wojo munya wickedness. You man mo ton yema wojo munya adwinfin se dwom ho mudi ho ni na mo prapra ho yi a e wansana ne beba kra enye too much man koto mosquito spray me kun wansana. Fan spray nam so. Why don't you use nets? Wickedness. Evil doing some of market women. Munya wate. Stop that. Kwasi apofo de anwum no wase de ye no enu na ye twa. Bibia wo bedua no. Everything you reap, mahuna mani. Everything you reap no. You sow no you reap. Everything you sow no you reap. Cost the 1,000. So nana kwia mame etisen. Eye arehosem. Adan na me nua dasani ti me koto mosquito spray me nua no mamu ye mu watch video no kakra ye nua no binumu wisu mosquito spray ye nua no binumu wisu mosquito spray we de me ma ho say ma santi mamu eye central market me woso me woso ye ndidi matemu bi. You deserve to be insulted because wickedness is too much in Ghana. We are sick and tired. Why? Me nua man ma mu hu video no. Se munya hu ni social media. Munya on social media, watch it. Mosquito spray na sister ya. Sabi mempese me di natem. E ho kire man ye odi gina ho odi gu swama wakoto no ware na wawu. Why? Come. Mahu mosquito spray na kase ankasa so gu ha.
In fact, for an evidence sake, those of you that are watching this video this very moment, I just caught this woman using mosquito spray, Heaven, spraying the meat that we buy with our own money to eat in our stomach. I tried to question them, they don't even mind me. You can see the mosquito spray there. That is what she's using to spray the mosquito, the meat. In fact, I don't understand this. I don't know if we are still in Ghana or we are in another world.
We are another world.
My people.
Mahu, mama me pause video.
Be very careful.
Mahu color na esi ho no. On say iso food color, minim say your food color. De ye enuane cake ne niema no. En omo de aye, en omo de she pro-control any beef. Anything na make us a pro-control any beef no. Bibia ye polluted. Why are you doing this? Huh? But I also we are another word. We are in Ghana, Kumasi. Who are when so Kumasi don't know which you are not in another word. Ade wo are na bra. You are not a funeral. We what jina Kumasi drum and the woman dear costume. Manu massa. Now no I can't say a mad young bimude and road one na me defend it. Platform I was word royal queens. Now me defend this sign say it's never true so with my sir. But then look at all these things. Huh? I'm so speechless.
Of what you buy in the market. I'm telling you this. I'm right here in the market.
I'm speechless.
I'm here. I believe you can see me. I'm here with them in the market. I'm talking to them. They don't even mind me. Those of you that will come to market to buy meat and go and eat, this is what they are doing. So ridiculous. I can't imagine this. What?
Someone's a pro-control is one. I no fear a pair pro-control there. When you won't me down, me meet me up control. And to trouble modern. Now who ye because I drew a cool incense near the good and from wood. Ah, you crazy sucrano. I was a bronia, be as a sort of fab, maybe 22 millimeter and 1 year. Gun over 100 double because of 7 years because I never really. In fact, I'm so disappointed. I would do for my because I had your money I etini senya di omu nyina ya anka obi ye no kan nua no be ka kire say stop but I had omu ye Esther I had omu nyina ye no market ho enti obi antimi ntia na yonko because ade a me ye bi wo ye bi de ye de na mbeka ade a wo ye misumi ye bi e de na mbeka ho ase yes Ghana fo bi no mo ye nuanu ma mo no anuane ye nuanu ma mo ton niema anti sisi me patro anti I salute you yes ramo san niema na mo ye no enye na gu ye hu fi papa igina ho wo mo te se da che hima on ka twi no obi tinchen a wonte BBC kwati asem we ya eye disgrace to Ghana brofo and me you know English. It's a disgrace to Ghana. Where did they used to spray food in Africa? Ghana, West Africa, they use animal spray to spray food. That's why these people call us, we are animals. Because ye nyema nyina te se sabi manu hyesu na so emoa e wo ye man no. Bra yigina ho brofo no oka enti se brebre na koto BBC na omuhunu a na about the whole world. Oh my Ghana mu omo de emu aduane na spray aduane so manipa. Don't form aden na moyesa. Ghana for don't form aden and na moyesa. Why are you doing this wickedness? Why are you doing this evil? It's evil. God have mercy in Ghana. And I didn't can Ghana or mine no. And they say Yankopon bo modi na be say o man free ho. Because nipa e wo mu nyina adwena say. Yesore ese politicians nye. Yesore ese asofo nye. Na wo kwa ademu asofo mu preach gospel. So free be gina ho be kire ne wet. Enti me so me for so say menya wet bi because me ni wet. We are not safe for eating all these poisons in Ghana. It's so sad. Nana Hima, we are not safe. What are you queens and kings are doing about it? Nana, I know, say, Ahima for any ahene for more council. And Nana, some me bekan have first say, a crobia every week. Ahima for ne ahen for most money pamo muko jump kwajini ma bremo. Mon from Nana, mon ahima for mon from Nancy from no more da ro. No more shed that tuni pamo mon come so attack. No more show minimum and never your poison. No more start example. They will stop. And Nana Kufuado, but what the other man position in Ghana. Now, maybe I me just like that because I will not tolerate this stupid behavior of some of Ghanaians. Why? Nyanko no no who you or who sent to me ko school pa be ye uraba pa. We don't come to school be ye uraba come gentle into the enemy one. After all, I mean, you know, then let's put it aside. Oh, less. Then let's go. Then go. Nyanko who ya for beer. I just say, me banester. I just say, Areho. Me doing 1 minute, yes, I say, you put me to us, yes, I'm going to dread this spray. A boa. Come on, you put us near the woman. No. Now, I am. I'm said, Nano, no more jet in your platform, so about a near dinner with Europe. Look at your people down there. Nana, Obi Kogana, Nama Kran said. Nana Florence, Nana me say udine Nana me part show, Nana, and you may yet know dear, but Nana Ayafa. Nana hima abe nim ne bra. No biam say we your hima mu Nana. Florence Mensa no ukunu no betin dia so Nana hima because me kan Nana hima omu hu say what Florence Mensa Nana hima asem na making. Nano wase nuane edi ne Europe. Platforms so na nya asem ketwa. Where do I pens platform so? Me no mani abrintimiti bia betina mintimi nkasa kese. Nana look at this. Every African rehana ebeka ho asem nana wani mu asem o nana de tie wani mani abre no a me ka wasem bebrebe nana wo ye hima wote kokoso. Nana wote konya tuntum sorry nana me wote kokoso me kita boduem nana wote konya tuntum so eti mu wo power nana mu wo power nana no wo kire wo platform so said enuane bi no ho ayanti ehun free so na de na kokan kire mosquito spray fue na ye wa de na kokan Florence Avenue de na kokan kire mosquito spray fue na no de wa no ani abre kire ye niema mu wo platform so ye hia more people because where do ya queens ye platform ye teaching sankasa ye kire niema ankasa we need to come out nana hima. We need to come out, Nana. We must be careful for what we are buying in the markets or what we are eat into our stomach. Yes. Abusuafo mesramo Augustine wo Ghana. Most mama yire no so amunkoto na momre mo amonya careful. Make sure say we yire no nam na wakoto no wa hohoro hu yie. Na mosquito spray no spray na mo Ghana for you. They want to kill everybody to die. Killing as a broche for yetia, ye pardon, ye pe kobi, ye pe I can't say beef, ye pe weight na twieko to be. Look at what they are doing over down there. Intimate yaram di bangeduane, I said we didn't bangeduane, anya mesto stendi kakra chen spray. ye di kun aboa di be gu aduane so ma wonu ni pa di Ghana fo donfo ma binum yesre mo munya abadaye nyame di mama nke ye ka se oba e ma ye wa abadaye mi video na ye tentene because ensam no abote na outside e ma ye wa abadaye eti ade na donfo ma binum mo sori anopa eso anema kodom koton poison gu ni pa yem. Why are you doing this? Na mo fi se scan am open nyambe mo manya scan be never. Trust me. You will never find money you want. Because enya dream pa na the biska. Enya dream pa. Enya dream pa stable. Why say motna se plane e killing nipa so slowly. Oh my baby, you kill me slowly. Ah, don't forma Ghana for don't forma binumu. You kill it slowly. God will punish you one by one. Don't forma binumu. Mutimu ordene. Enyana phobia moto mutimu ordene. Nyami be triamoka. Mo be ton poison mo obi edi no bi so to bia ma wo no ma na musumadi. Continue over there. Monyere mo ho. Said ya wodi adura gu nam so obi abeto no sa na obi so di adura be no aduane se musu dom ho amu no aduane musu ko to aduane o musu di poison be no amu na musu moto no madi munkunkum ho because you reap everything you sow, you reap it. Kasempo for jey wasi wo ye papa wo ye fa wo ye bone so a eda wanim nipa boni ni wonim so ma osresrefo na ade amana kodi ewu odi ma no ono so wa me ogi ya na odi ma ono ane ma ena nkora ni nyina die no muwuye adwemfinti wakumni manyina because bodani ni ho ye na hyi osresre dodo enti oyi na firi ho but bodani no nhira nka yakopon se sada na komo ne no wa me se tam ogi ya na odi koma wo ma ena amadi ye a wani matwa o donfo ma binimu saa na manim aya amudi gudwombo no manim atwitwa wo sister yi Nana himanu ma ya no musima me didi atam ayo ho kyere ma hwe ho ade ne nam dom wo na wo price nkrofo asikafo nkrofo titiru ahema ne ahemfo papa binumu a doctors ne lawyers papa binumu omuso nyina edi omudogo ya mo nyina ye 419 ye tworo pola 1 ne aye ne 3 ne de kwaji sika Ghana nipa ye one man no we should change our bad mentality, we should change our attitudes towards each another. It's bad. It's not fair. Bro, for no to me man adwi me di besi ha. Aja ni boatin. Papa et saying. Florence boatma mami. Me poma chow me din the root. Obetimi afra me dachi hima special. We me say my tuntum ma chiri ba nan da fom. E kina ye di ne na otweda. Ti mani da mojamu mani abre mani ayese krodom. Na ye nua man bi no odwom. Ye nua man bi no Ghana dwom a omu wisu mosquito spray na di spray enam so especially beef ne pakontre meat ene enam a enwansene sisu bia o market. Eti ye nua no mabrochirefo mo kra niam afri Ghana na ba mo make sure say mo ahohoro ho ye even ansa na wo freezer. They are killing us slowly. Yeni awada ye timu enye mayen. Na yeni enkrofo adwonfinfo nso guman mo no mo poison ye. Can you even imagine? Can you even imagine? Na wo sora na mo de mani bregu politicians say omo na emma man ko so. Wo a wo to dwom no, wo ye corrupt. Wo ye wicked. Me a meti office, me ye wicked. Eti wicked plus wicked and na wickedness. Ni ye koyanim. So what you say? I am double. Mummy enya adwinfi no. Oh my Ghana, it's time for us to change our bad mentality. It's time for Ghanaians. No, excuse me here. It's time for us, both market people, students, lawyers, judges, politicians, doctors, musicians, every person Ghana niba. It's time for us to change our bad mentality. We should think good about each other. Stop searching for money. Na sika nyam kwadro. Sika enyam kwadro ka Princess Diana ka wo muda. Kawo Papa no Mugabe kawo hwe ne kingdom awo kawo ti menu a wo ti dwom na toto bibidie nti wo di bone na wo di poison gu aduane so ama wo nu edin. Stop. It's not going to help you. Na emwa wo daachi de wo yen wo betwa ne daachi anka wo na ebeka wo nchirima wanya sunsunsanso na china bi no wonana no bi no wo generation bi no omunim anything a we then they are going to suffer. Enyema bi wo ho na ekoso ye brabo mu a enye ye ne ete ya na ye o enye me maami otifie na ye o enye me nana na hema Florence mensa na ye o but your generation bi a abako they have sold it and the ye repeat. So we should change. Ghana. What I have for Ghanaians today, no. Dear me, woman Ghana for them for ma, and they Ghana for or more Ghana, and I am near been my dream pone to move slowly. Yamisha Munina. I hope somebody share me video, na mami. Share. Let this message go far. If you can't, your woman in trendy, a German cramo trendy, no. And some papa woman in trendy because and some beka ye as sama kosu wo man Ghana ma kum ye timon trendy na mami mesra mon trendy no na areho se enuan bi mutimi nya adwembone de poison gu aduane so ton e wo market na bi di nu anuane ame etodi nya me nhira mo nyina ba bi a wo bi a wo hwe me bi a me dance wo time wo data me did the roots. Dear betimi dia from me dachi hima special everything I do. Dear be huna ye important no ene entem na ne ababo so ne anu fie ne de beka bi ne atoto bombo afam ne yakoye ni because I na areho. Nana hima abenim. Nana me enhira ne adwumade na wo ye ma word royal queens wo futuo ene won sempa ene ne ma wo kirekire yen wo word royal queens e platforms nyame enhira bebre. We are for king, we are for justice, we are for king, we are for truth. Kanaja Japan ma amu wi asi nyina mechia mo menua ifri mu ma kire odo kese call upon calls mo ma me nampo medam ase. We are for king for nyame enhira mo word royal queen for nyame onhira mo no onhira mo no anya makese women's organizers amu wi asi nyina menua man woman organizers amu MPP mu Mosuma kire odo kese a kire me mo frɛ na mo send message nyame enhira mo mate de obia ka kire me bia mate mafa ene na ama me bua ye duru a matimi abetena ha ya me dwi me hui a me twabo dwomfo ma awudifo bi no mu me twabo nnuanefo awudifo bi no mu nyame enhira mo ate word we yakwenfo nyame onye makese kopum semba ya kese nyame onhira mo nyina. We are for king, we are for justice. Nyame enhira mo no me yetimi nyina ne entire papa Kennedy achi. Minua ma woman organizers nyame enhira mu nyina. All the women organizers in the world, both NDC and MPP. A man ne adwumadene. But Ghana for mass say they would disem ne doors yesere mu wo betwi break. Me na na Akufo Addo pompo be ma me minister of a ma president. Me from ni agoro. Me ne mu be bi pa. E ma wudifo bi dum am my Ghana mu. Nyame enhira mu nyina. I love you all. Ciao.